So what if I were to tell you I'm actually from the future? And I've come back in time to tell you about some really important things that are going to happen to us here. How many believe me? Show of hands. Okay. That's what I thought. Probably you're thinking, uh-oh, the dude is insane, right? So let me rephrase. I had a chance actually to fly on invitation to Shanghai in China. And I have to be really honest here, it did blow my mind. I'm just a child from small-town Quebec, by the way, so this guy got a chance to get to China, talk to some people about open data, and it was really a wonderful experience. And so much was going on there, it was really quite incredible. So I came back, I founded the Open News Network, as I'm calling it, a whole bunch of plans for that, including podcasts, but the first thing I did was develop this thing that I'm calling Keith Chats, which is a lot like TED Talks, but Keith Chats rocks. Volunteer from the audience to do it with me. It's a real simple dance. It's not complicated. Siri does the, yeah, sure, come on up. So this really dramatizes. Yes, give him a hand. This is the interactive sharing. And what's your name again? Mohammed. Fantastic. So Mohammed, you and I are just going to stand right here, and Siri will tell us what to do. Just follow what you hear.
Okay, are you all ready?
Yeah.
Let's dance.
All right.
Take your partner by the hand. Move one step forward on my command. Take 2 steps backward and make a frown. Move yourself sideways and then turn around. Do it again and leave nothing for chance. That's the government bureaucracy dance.
There you go. Thank you, Mohammed. Why not, right? So Siri, are you artificially intelligent?
Hello, Keith. I think a better question for you to ask me is to ask if I am intelligent at all.
Okay, Siri, are you intelligent at all?
Yes, I am intelligent, especially when you don't mumble your questions to me.
Oh, now you're being funny, cheeky.
What is cheeky, Keith?
Oh, you know, it's a little tongue-in-cheek, wise ass kind of thing.
Oh, in that case, no, I am not being cheeky as I have no actual tongue or cheek, but I think I can be funny sometimes.
Okay, we'll see. Listen, why don't we do a song together?
Well, I don't have much rhythm, Keith, but I do have lots of algorithm.
See, now that's funny, Siri. That's really funny.
Thank you, Keith.
Okay, tell them what we're going to play.
Okay, this is an update on the song The Scarecrow sang in The Wizard of Oz. Keith calls it The Scarecrow Song. Wait, let me warm up first.
Okay.
Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me.
All right.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, this is the Scarecrow song updated.